My name is Curtis DeVetter, and I'm an AmeriCorps Vista leader, and I'm currently working with the Cedar Rapids neighborhoods, specifically with Greg Stokesbury on the Southwest Area Neighbors, or SWAN. And my current projects include creating a business directory for the SWAN area, and also starting up a food program to get nutritious food items out to homeless people and people who use the meal sites here in town. In addition to the projects that I am working on, I also am a leader of 11 Vistas. As part of my Vista leader position, I am in charge of developing and supporting the outsourced Vistas who are placed at various nonprofit organizations throughout Cedar Rapids, including United Way, the Jane Boyd Youth Center, and also Linn County Public Health.